This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Strickland. Beautiful two-story home close to dining and shopping in Powell. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 1 half bath. Open floor plan walk-in closets, and a huge upstairs bonus room, perfect for a large office or playroom. The master bedroom is located on the main floor. This home also has a large 2-car garage and a fenced-in backyard. Trash pickup, mowing and front and ground maintenance are included in the HOA. For more information, review the details below or contact Strickland at 865-687-1111.